Good morning.
Oh, now I understand what's going on.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you were taking a video, but okay.
Good morning. We're coming to you from Canary Springs in Mammoth Springs. I guess the Mammoth Springs portion of
the park.
Yellowstone National Park. So picked up Levi yesterday in Bozeman, Montana. Said I'm not going to do a lot of video. That turned out to not be the case. This is the first stop that we're making inside the park. And we are photographing at the beautiful Canary Spring in Mammoth Springs as part of the north end of Yellowstone National Park. So we got people coming to photograph. We're going to cut the video out right now, but we'll talk a little more when we're making coffee. But got some really great images in the blue hour here. Lots of texture, lots of color, and we're going to show those to you in just a few minutes. So you having a good time?
Pretty exciting.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'm having a great time. I have to be here for like 8 days. It's insane.
So, all right.
Yeah.
So we're going to have all kinds of fun. I wanted to photograph this again. You might remember I photographed it with Joelle, and in this particular instance, there is no smoke. So it's a beautiful morning. It's clear. The air is clear. The steam is cool. It's really great. So we're going to photograph it again because, well, it's just a different opportunity. So here we go. I guess that's, I don't know.
It's all for now.
I think that's all for now.
Nothing else to be said at the moment. So
Yeah.
perhaps later.
Yeah, all right. So one of the things about being out here that's kind of cool and that's a lot of fun is, of course, these vast expanses of land. But you know, when you photograph these things with a wide-angle lens, it's overwhelming sometimes. As you walk around in this area, for example, there's so much detail in the ground and little things around you that you want to be real careful to pay attention to the small things. Be looking at the ground, be looking over your shoulder, be looking around. Because you can just point your camera down to the ground and you see some of the coolest stuff. So got some abstract lines over here in this, I don't know, stuff. I'm trying to think of what it's called, but I'm trying to read the sign there and I can't even tell you what it's called. But sun's coming close to the horizon, so we're going to get this shot in a second here that I'm really hoping to get. But at the same time, you can kind of see, pointing down, what you can get. I'm going to show you an image just as an example of looking low at the ground in this humongous expanse. that's going to be it from our jaunt to
Wherever it was.
Canary Springs, the Canary Spring overlook at Mammoth Springs. We're hurriedly
We have to
packing up,
pack everything up fast because we
try
got to
get
get
it.
to another campsite.
That's what I was trying to say right there. So we're going to call it a day. That's going to be it for this video. Listen, thanks for joining us. And remember, if you could like, subscribe, share the video, that's always a big help on whatever social media you use. And most importantly, if you have any questions or comments, I love hearing those. Do you love hearing them?
I don't really ever pay attention to the comments because this is the second time I'll have been in your videos at all, and it's not my channel.
I think everybody says,
sure.
like, who's that handsome guy?
I don't think
Rob?
anybody says that.
All right.
But I appreciate your kind words. But yeah, feel free to leave a comment telling me I'm handsome if that's what you would like to do.
Do that.
We got to keep breaking.
We got to go. All right. Hey, listen, thanks. Enjoy the images. We'll see ya.